Okay, let's dive into this explainer. Why is your quietness actually your absolute greatest strength?
Do you go
Tell me.
completely silent the second somebody hurts your feelings? If you do, listen up. That silence isn't a flaw. It's literally a psychological superpower.
Society might call you stubborn or cold, but science says your brain is deep processing.
Dr. Peter Levine calls this the freeze response. It's a hardwired shield against massive emotional pain.
Get this, during an emotional flood, your brain's language center literally shuts down. Total survival mode.
Psychologist John Bowlby found this happens if childhood taught you that expressing vulnerability wasn't safe.
So still water really does run deep. Beneath that quiet exterior, your brain is working overtime.
You're not shutting people out, you're actually protecting your relationships from unfiltered emotional damage.
And guess what? This deep processing is your ultimate tactical weapon against toxic behavior.
See, manipulative people feed on your fast, shaky reactions so they can easily control you.
Try the 3-second rule. Count to 3, calmly say okay, and watch their whole strategy crumble.
Weak responses frantically over-explain. Strong people just stay silent and own their choices without apologizing.
Seriously, stop explaining yourself. To manipulative people, it just makes you look totally guilty. If they disrespect you, quietly pull back. Show them that bad treatment has immediate, real consequences.
Now, this exact same stillness is a total game changer after a really tough breakup.
Please don't beg or vent. Just disappear completely to focus on fixing yourself, not playing games.
By pulling your availability, your sudden absence becomes way louder than your presence ever was.
Eventually, they'll drop breadcrumbs, lazy bits of attention, like random late-night texts.
Ignore them completely. Remember, breadcrumbs are for pigeons, and you, my friend, are not a pigeon.
Maintain that silence. Level up your own life and let them sit with the regret.
Here's the best plot twist. By the time they actually come back, you won't even want them.
You don't speak until you're ready. You say way less, but you mean absolutely all of it.
That isn't emotional unavailability. That is genuine emotional integrity. And honestly, you've already won.
So, are you going to keep explaining yourself, or let your powerful silence